My name is Alex, this is Wally, and these are the Mustang Motorcycle Seats.
In this video today we'll be covering the comfort, durability, and the features of these Mustang seats. You could find all these seats available at accessoryinternational.com. So today we have two variations of the Mustang motorcycle seats in front of us. This one being for a Harley-Davidson Softail Standard, and this one being for a Kawasaki Vulcan 1700. You'll also notice that we do have the optional Mustang backrest on this seat as well.
Absolutely, that backrest does work wonders. And keep in mind, even though we do have the seats made for different motorcycles, the actual inner construction of these seats are all follow Mustang's meticulous construction standards, and they're going to make sure that your rear end is treated well.
That's right, so let's dive a little deeper into the construction of these seats. The magic really starts off with the foam that Mustang uses. So these seats are made of a polyurethane foam, custom made in Mustang's New England facility. Now, this foam is a unique chemical blend designed to be soft enough for comfort, but resilient enough to hold up even on your longest rides.
That's right, and once Mustang uses that special chemical blend for their foam, they actually mold it in a specific strategic shape so that it is strategically positioned for the rider's best riding position and give them maximum comfort.
Now, our initial experience with these seats is that they do give you a slightly more firm feeling in comparison to your original seat. After a few minutes of sitting on these seats though, you will notice that the foam does mold to your body for a little more comfort, but it does keep that firmness enough so you're not going to be sinking into your seat pan after those long rides.
That's correct, yeah, and the seat, compared to most aftermarket seats that we've tried, the Mustang foam here is still softer than a lot of the other aftermarket seats that we've tested, so it does give you a good in-between of being firm enough for the comfort but soft enough to still feel nice and comfortable for you. And another important point for us to mention as well, the actual seat doesn't really have any break-in period. The moment that you take it out of the box and sit down on it is just as comfortable on that first day as it is on the 100th day of riding it. So no real break-in period for the seats at all. Now, looking at the surface of the seat, the initial appearance gives you what looks to be like a black leather finish. However, the surface of these seat covers is actually constructed from a marine grade vinyl material, which is actually going to give you an improved durability compared to your stock seat, and it's going to give you improved elemental resistance as well.
That's right, and the vinyl, it does a great job at retaining its color, and it requires little to no maintenance over the course of the life of the seat. And all this material is designed, cut, and sewn in Mustang's New England facilities. You'll notice on these seams here, they are double stitched for extra strength and durability.
That's right, and if you move further down into the seat construction, everything we've just covered is built on arguably the most important part, the seat base plates. Now, the seat base plates all use either a single base plate or a two-piece base plate, depending on if you go with a one-piece or two-piece seat. Now, on these seats here, this is a single-piece seat versus a two-piece seat construction, so we do have those different combinations of seat base plates in front of us. Now, for metric bikes, the base plates are made from a tough marine-grade fiberglass construction, and they are finished in a high gloss gel coat.
That's right, however, but on the Harley-Davidson models, the base plates do consist of a formed 16 gauge steel finish and a black powder coat.
Absolutely, and keep in mind, while the seat designs are all going to be slightly different across the different models and different variations of Mustang seats that we offer, the actual installation is all going to be the same. It's as simple as removing your stock seat, reusing those stock mounting points on your original bike, and reusing the hardware that your original seat used. So everything will be straightforward, and in case you do get stumped when you're installing one of these seats, we do have a set of detailed mounting instructions that's included with each one of these seats.
Now, taking a closer look at this backrest right here, we always tell riders the most comfortable seats are going to provide that support for your bottom as well as your back. This backrest is exactly that. It's available on a lot of our Mustang seats here. It's going to reduce your fatigue on those longer rides. That's really what riders are looking for.
Yeah, it definitely adds a good amount of comfort to rides. And keep in mind that the backrest is fully adjustable. You have the up and down adjustability back and forward adjustability, and you also have a pivoting mechanism, which is really going to give you the angle that you're looking for so that you can get that backrest in the right position for you. Now keep in mind, maybe you don't want to have the backrest on all the time. You want to take it off now and then and give your bike a more clean look. No hand tools are required for this. Simply take the backrest out of that receiving hole that's built into the Mustang seat, and keep in mind you need this hole in order to have that backrest installed. If you don't have it, it won't work. But once you take it out with your hands, you have a flap, closes right over with a Velcro mechanism, and it's going to give you that clean, low profile look that some riders may want every now and then.
Keep in mind there are a variety of Mustang seat options we offer with different styles, different comfort features to choose from. Feel free to browse our website at accessoryinternational.com if you want to take a look at those, or feel free to give one of our experts a call at 786-242-5400.
Guys, now overall, the Mustang motorcycle seats offer you premium comfort and durability with years of quality and riding use that you can get out of these seats. We've had riders that tell us it's like night and day once they put one of these Mustang seats on compared to their stock seats. So again, if you have any questions for us, please give us a call here at Accessories International. You can reach us at 786-242-5400. My name is Alex.
My name is Wally. We'll see you in the next one.